Welcome to the PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is National Action Plan for Mechanized Sanitation Ecosystem. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment organized a special program on May 25th, 2025 in Madhya Pradesh, focused on the National Action Plan for Mechanized Sanitation Ecosystem, NAMASTE scheme. The event aimed to honor sanitation workers and highlight their vital role in maintaining cleanliness. The scheme focuses on the social and economic empowerment of sanitation workers for safer and dignified livelihoods. Let us talk about key highlights of the program. NAMASTE scheme ensures safe and mechanized sanitation work to reduce health risks for workers, promotes dignity and respect for sanitation workers by recognizing them as important contributors to public health, encourages sustainable livelihoods through modernization and social upliftment, enhances public awareness about the importance of sanitation and cleanliness, supports the government's Swachh Bharat mission and other sanitation-related goals. The scheme is expected to improve working conditions of sanitation workers nationwide. It's time to test your knowledge, and the question is, what does NAMASTE scheme focus on? A. Education. B. Sanitation workers' empowerment. C. Agriculture. D. Healthcare. Send the answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.